Warm, clear waters, endless blue skies and sunshine, tropical breezes and stunning sunsets. The Florida Keys are a vacationer's paradise. These islands are also one of the best places in the world to complete your PADI Open Water Diver certification. It's your key to opening up a whole new world of fun, discovery, and adventure underwater. You can complete the e-learning portion of the course online at home, so when you arrive in the Keys, you're ready to dive in. Training conditions in these warm and clear waters are ideal, with excellent visibility and only minimal currents, if any. The colorful coral reefs found in the Florida Keys National Marine Sanctuary are extraordinary. You'll feel a sense of wonder at the ocean's mesmerizing beauty. Off Key Largo, the Molasses Reef Sanctuary Preservation Area is known for abundant fish life and an underwater coralscape of spur and groove formations in depths of just 18 to 35 feet of water. Nurse Shark City in Isla Mirada is perfect for building confidence and new skills while surrounded by an abundance of marine life. Hone your buoyancy and master underwater navigation while exploring Sombrero Reef, a shallow spur and groove coral reef off Marathon, and the reefs off Big Pine Key within the Looe Key Sanctuary Preservation Area, and Key West's Western Sambo Reef Reserve offer idyllic and shallow conditions for new divers. Becoming a PADI open water diver is like being given the key to a door that opens to a magical world. And there's no place better to experience the marvels of the ocean than in the Florida Keys.